Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue and I'm back with another video.
You come to my motel. Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Okay, first thing is first, I got my A1 Aesthetics brow gel, and that's what I'm going to be using to fill in my brows.
But I can't be tied down. Let's not worry about the future, baby. Let's live in it now. I know that you want it. Well, I'm here for the moment, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me.
I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to use that to clean up underneath my brow. Just make it nice and sharp and perfect. So now I'm just going to take my brush and blend out the concealer. So now I'm using that same concealer and I'm going to apply it on my eyelids, and then I'm going to blend it out into my eyebrows.
I don't give a fuck, but you know I'm only here to fuck. I don't want a cup, cause you cheating on that nigga that might do you right. But I don't care, you can stay with me for the night. Yeah, you can stay one night only. I know that you want it, well I'm here for the moment, so let's ride.
So now I'm taking a bigger brush and I'm going to use that and blend out the concealer even more and to set it more on my eyelids. So I'm using the Shany palette and I'm using these two pinks right here, and I'm going to use that pink as my transition color.
Let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's.
Now I'm going in with this nice matte purple, and I'm going to use that and apply it above my crease and blend it in with the pink.
Catching Z's, you got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company.
Now I'm applying this hot pink on top of the purple because I didn't want the purple to be that dark, so I'm just going to blend that in with the purple just to make it a little bit more lighter.
My girl, you creeping on your man, and I don't think that shit thorough. I can keep you around, but I can't be tied down. Let's not worry about the future, baby, let's live in it now. I know that you want it, well I'm here for the moment, so.
Then I applied these red colors right below my crease just so when I'm ready to cut the crease, it'll look perfect.
But he not me, but you enjoy my company.
Now it's time for the fun part. We're going to cut our crease, and I'm using that same LA Girl concealer. I'm not doing a full crease. I'm not dragging it all the way out. I drag it to the end and then stop like halfway. Okay, so when I started to cut this crease, I went a little bit more high up than the other crease, so I try to go back over and make this one a little bit more higher.
You can hit me up, I don't give a fuck, but you know I'm only here to fuck. I don't want a cup, cause you cheating on that nigga that might do you right. But I don't care, you can stay with me for the night. Yeah, you can stay one night only. I know that you want it.
Now I'm using the Take Me Back to Brazil, the Rio Edition palette. I'm using this white right here. I actually ended up using both the whites in the palette, the one on the right and the left, because they complemented each other so well. And I'm putting them in the inner corner of my crease, just the inner corner. Now I'm using the same palette. I'm using this pink, and I'm going to fill in the rest of the crease.
Let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company.
Now I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer to prime my face.
So we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company.
Using a wet beauty blender, I'm going to apply my foundation. All the products that I used in this video will be listed down below.
Why you wanna fuck with a nigga like me, huh? Yeah, you know I'm not good for you. I can give you the world. Yeah, we can kick kick it, baby, but you can't be my girl. You creeping on your man, and I don't think that shit thorough. I can keep you around, but I can't be tied down. Let's not worry about the future, baby, let's live in it now. I know that you want it, well, I'm here for the moment, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company.
I like to use a brush to finish blending my foundation after using the beauty blender.
You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company. I've been waiting on this.
Using that same concealer, I'm going to highlight my T-zone, so that's underneath my eyes, on top of my nose, my forehead, top of my lips, and right on my chin. Now I'm going to contour with my BH Cosmetics contour kit. Now I'm going to blend out my concealer that I used to highlight my face.
You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company, my company, my company. Catching Z's, my company, my company, my company. Let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company, so let's ride. You and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you.
I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to set my face. So I'm setting my face everywhere that I highlighted my face, so everywhere where there's concealer basically.
Why you wanna fuck with a nigga like me, huh? Yeah, you know I'm not good for you, I can give you the world. Yeah, we can kick it, baby, but you can't be my girl. You creeping on your man, and I don't think that shit.
I'm going back in with the contour kit, and I'm just going to enhance my contour. Now I'm using a big fluffy brush to just brush that all out.
You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company, so let's ride. You and me.
Notice how I'm brushing the setting powder off while still blending out my contour.
But you enjoy my company. I've been waiting on this a long time. Brown skin thing, my God, you're so fine. You can make a wide-eye man straight go blind, and his backseat freestyle flows a gold mine. Such a name with summer.
Yes, sis, check that face, make sure we good. So I'm using these two whites again, and I'm gonna apply them on my waterline. If you have sensitive eyes like me, your eyes are gonna tear up. My eyes are tearing up from just watching this. If your eyes do start watering up, just give them some time. Now I'm using this pink in the palette, and I'm going to apply that on my bottom lash line. To make this look pop even more, we're applying glitter. So I'm going to apply the duo glue on my bottom lash line, and I'm going to use the pink glitter and apply that on top of the duo glue.
My company, my company, my company. Let's ride, you and me, blowing O's till we catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me, but you enjoy my company, so let's.
So now I'm going to apply the duo glue in my inner cut crease. Then I'm going to apply the white glitter on the inner corners. What's a look without lashes, sis? So we're just gonna apply our A1 lashes in the style Nubian.
We can kick it, baby, but you can't be my girl, you creeping on your man, and I don't think that shit thorough. I can keep you around, but I can't be tied down. Let's not worry about the future, baby, let's live in it now. I know that you want it, well, I'm here for the moment, so.
Now I'm using NYX setting spray to set my face. And for highlight, we're using BH Cosmetics Wild and Radiant Highlight Kit.
My company, so let's ride. You and me, blown old sweet, catching Z's. You got a man, but he not me. But you enjoy my company. I've been waiting on this a long time. Brown skin thing.
I'm using this Maybelline mascara to bring out my bottom lashes. Also, if any of my lashes got stuck on the glue, I'm going to use the mascara to just fix that. Now I'm just going to line my lips with this liner that I got from H&M. I'm applying this lip gloss that I got from Sephora, and then I'm going to top that off with this lip gloss that I got from the hair store. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Comment below if you love this look. And happy Valentine's Day, you guys. Thanks again for watching. Mwah.
Won't you come to my